Bumubuhos ang mga dasal para kay Pope Francis na nasa critical and guarded condition pa rin sa ospital sa Roma. Narito ang agenda report ni Eugene Adalia.
Mula sa hometown niya sa Argentina hanggang sa Mexico, Colombia, Guatemala, Brazil at Honduras, lahat pinagdarasal ang agarang pagaling ni Pope Francis. Sa Buenos Aires Cathedral, daan-daan ang nag-alay ng dasal para sa Santo Papa.
Feeling sad because anything that happens to him feels like it happens to you inside your heart when you're a person of faith. I hope God accompanies him and the Virgin Mary protects him, and above all, that he doesn't suffer. That it be God's will, because he does not deserve suffering.
For me, he's an idol between these people who spread good, kindness, and love for others. Why do these idols have to go? These are true idols who give so much, who dedicate their lives to others.
Sa Mexico, dagsa ang mga deboto sa Basilica de Guadalupe para ipagdasal si Pope.
Today, I come to ask the Virgin of Guadalupe to grant Pope Francis health and pray for him for all the good he has done for us during his papacy, and that the Blessed Virgin may always be with him.
It makes me very sad, the situation of the Pope. I am aware that he is an elderly person, but I pray for him, asking God to do his will and grant him health.
Bumuhos din ang dasal para kay Pope dito sa Pilipinas.
Kailangan talaga natin ng isang leader sa simbahan na kagaya ni Pope Francis sa panahon ngayon. Ngayon na marami tayong pinagdadaanan.
Sana po gumaling na po siya at maging okay na po siya. Madami po kaming mga Pilipino na nagpipray para po kay Pope Francis.
Tinakbo sa Gemelli Hospital sa Roma ang 88-year-old Pope noong February 14 dahil hirap siya sa paghinga. Ayon sa Vatican, kritikal at guarded pa rin ang lagay ng Santo Papa dahil sa double pneumonia. Para sa agenda, Eugene Adalia, Billionaire News Channel.